Discover how the Code Inject feature empowers you to enhance your learning management system, LMS, with custom scripts and tracking codes. By allowing you to inject code snippets into different sections of your LMS, Code Inject enables advanced customization, integration of analytics tools, and seamless deployment of marketing tags, providing a tailored experience for both administrators and learners. Log into your BrainCert account, navigate to Global Settings in the dashboard, and then open Basic Settings. Go to the Code Inject feature in the Basic Settings menu. Locate the Google Analytics Tracking ID field and enter your Google Analytics Tracking ID. To track and analyze user interactions on your LMS, use this code. It provides you with insights into user behavior, traffic sources, and engagement levels. This helps you identify popular courses and areas that need improvement. Locate the Google Tag Manager ID field and enter your Google Tag Manager ID. To manage and deploy marketing tags, such as tracking and remarketing codes, on your LMS without editing the code base, use Google Tag Manager. This tool simplifies the process of adding and updating tags, giving you more flexibility and control over your marketing and analytics efforts. It also enables seamless integration with other tools like Google Ads and Facebook Pixel, enhancing your overall marketing strategy. Locate the Cookie Policy Code Snippet field and paste your cookie policy code snippet into it to display a cookie consent banner and manage cookie preferences for your users. Ensures you comply with privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. Informs your users about the use of cookies and provides options to accept or reject them. Locate the Analytics Tracking Code Snippet field and paste your Analytics Tracking Code Snippet into the field to integrate custom analytics tracking beyond standard Google Analytics. This allows you to collect additional data points specific to your needs, providing a more detailed understanding of user interactions and platform performance. Locate the Global Head Snippet field and paste your Global Head Snippet code into it. This is useful for adding meta tags, style sheets, or third-party scripts that need to load early in the page lifecycle. It enhances SEO, performance tracking, and third-party tool integration. Locate the Global Footer Snippet field. Paste your global code snippet into it. This is perfect for adding elements like tracking pixels, live chat widgets, or additional scripts that need to load at the end of the page lifecycle. By doing this, you ensure that the page content loads quickly while still providing advanced functionality and enhancing user engagement. Locate the Global Code Snippet field. Paste your global code snippet into it. To insert custom code into the body of every page on your LMS, use this feature. It's ideal for adding elements like chat widgets, dynamic content, or additional JavaScript needed at the bottom of the page. Locate the Conversion Code Snippet field and paste your conversion tracking code snippet into it. To track conversions such as course enrollments, purchases, or sign-ups from your marketing campaigns, use this snippet. This helps you measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, optimize ad spend, and improve ROI. You'll gain valuable data on user actions after they engage with your ads. You'll gain valuable data on user actions after they engage with your ads.